Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Make Money Moves channel, and today I have a very simple method that's not going to take you guys any time, barely any time actually, and it's going to make you about $780 in 60 minutes. Yes, that is a very short amount of time. It's not going to take you very long at all, and to be honest, I mean, it's more than some of you probably make in about a week. So this is going to be very helpful, especially if you're working like a little fast food job, you're working at a restaurant, anything like that, because you're not going to have to spend a whole lot of time on this method. So I'm going to show you guys a cool little platform that I found. There's actually another method on this website that you guys can use to make money, but it's not going to be the main method that we're going to be using, obviously. So yeah, I'm going to get into it very shortly, and yeah, let's look at this website, guys. Alright, guys, we are now on the website. Now, the name of the website is called Paidera. Now, the way this website works is you turn your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience using an all-in-one solution provided by Paidera to get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirection, instant payment request, both mobile and desktop users accepted. So guys, you can actually use this website on your phone, on your laptop, on your Elite Pad. No, I'm just kidding. But you guys know what I mean. Like, this is a very versatile website, and if you have like a laptop and a phone, then you can pretty much like you can make more money on this platform if you choose to do the surveys on here. So why are they the best? They have unlimited tasks. They are providing unlimited tasks to complete every day. There's no limit to how many you can do every day. So if you want to sit down and go at it on doing surveys and stuff, then you can do that. You can also invite your friends. You are being paid to invite your friends. You get to make money from your social circle. So basically, you invite one of your friends and you make money. And if you have a large group of friends, then hey, I mean, first of all, you sound pretty popular. Second of all, that is a good way to capitalize on your friendship, I guess. And you have instant payments. So you guys don't have to wait around to like get the money that you made. So even if you have, well, there is a minimum payout threshold, but you don't have to like wait a week or a month to get your money. You literally do the assigned tasks, and then you reach the threshold, and then you just take your money out. Simple as that. Now, what these guys offer, they have things for you to do to sign up. So you would sign up for like a website, and then you would do stuff for them, and they would give you money for that. You can complete surveys, obviously. You can upload videos for, I guess it would be kind of like for stuff like AI training and stuff like that. That is pretty cool too. So you can actually make a lot of money doing this. This is the most profitable thing you can do on here. Obviously, like I said before, you can invite friends. You can write articles and post about them, and you get paid for it. So you guys can review the Paidera service, and they're going to give you money for it. And yeah, it's pretty much like an all-in-one platform. So there's multiple things that you can do on this platform to make money. And I mean, you won't get bored easy. If you don't want to do surveys and you want to record a video, you can do that. If you want to write an article, you can do that. There's all kinds of stuff that you guys can do on here that, you know, it's pretty easy. Now, there are over 700,000 members, almost 800,000 members. There's over 6 million jobs completed, and there's about like 1,200. Wait, no, nah. There's a good amount of things done on here. I'll just say that. I don't even know how to say that. That looks kind of weird to me. But yeah, pretty much they have all this stuff on here. They have their social media. You can look at reviews for them, so you guys know they're legit. Now, to create an account on here, you just come over to create an account. You would come onto this page, and you're just gonna put in all your information, stuff like that. And yeah, they just detected my ad block. But anyway, so let's come over to the service page real quick. This is taking forever to load. But yeah, there's all kinds of servers on here. This one's paying 40 cents, 50 cents, 35 cents, guys. That is, a significant amount of money. Now you guys might be like, hey, like, that's not a whole lot. But hey, like, after a couple surveys, you'll already have like $5, and it's gonna take you like what, 10 minutes. That's totally worth it in my opinion. So yes, this is very, very, very profitable. Now, you guys might be wondering, like, hey, I can make $780 from this. Well, actually, no. You're actually going to be doing a totally different method. Now, you can do the surveys and earn a little bit of pocket change, but what you guys are going to be doing is, let me come back over here to the home page real quick. You guys remember how I was talking about how you can make money off inviting friends? Well, yes, they are going to give you a referral link. Now, with that referral link, you are going to use it to invite your friends. Well, you don't exactly have to invite just your friends. Now, before we actually move on to the next method, I do want to show you guys something. Now, this is a VPN. It's called ProtonVPN, and it's free. Now, the cool thing about this is if you guys are from a third world country, or you're just from somewhere that it's not very profitable, you can use this VPN. And let's say that you live in like India or something, and you wanna make more money. Well, you can use this VPN. You can change your location to the United States, and you're gonna get more profitable surveys and stuff on this website. So yeah, if you guys are actually from like a third world country, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you guys get this VPN. Now, let's move on to the next method. What you guys are going to want to do is you are going to want to go to Facebook real quick. I'm going to come over to Facebook. Now, what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to go to Make Money Online. Now, when you come over here to Make Money Online, there are a bunch of Facebook groups. Now, you guys might be wondering, why is this relevant? Why should I care about this? Well, what you guys can do is you can join pretty much all of these groups, and you can post your referral link. So you would just come into a group like this, you would join it, obviously, and then you are going to make a post. Now, you're going to want to be compelling in this post. So what you probably want to say is like, hey, I have this really cool platform that has multiple ways for you to make some really easy money. And people are going to be like, huh? Really easy money? That sounds terrific. And they're going to click on your link, and you're going to make money from them signing up. Now, from what I've seen, you can actually make about $3 per 1,000 people that join. So if 10,000 people join from your link, you are going to make about $30 from that. And yeah, that is honestly like a really great way. And like I said, you can join all these groups. There's also a subreddit called Make Money Online, Make Money Online, that you can do the same thing with. So yeah, if you guys combine using like that subreddit with this method, you can easily drive a lot of people to this website that I showed you guys using your referral link, and you're gonna make a lot of money that way. And yeah, guys, this is actually like a really foolproof method that you guys can use. Now, even though you can make money with the method that I just showed you, you're still trading time for money. And to be honest, the way that I showed you how to make some extra money on the side is really something that isn't meant to be full time, and you're not really going to generate a whole lot of money on there. You're really just going to generate enough money to maybe pay a couple extra bills, maybe buy a little something extra. But if you guys are tired of working your 9 to 5 and you want to make money pretty much all the time, even when you're asleep, then I recommend checking out the link down in the description below. It's actually the first link, and you'll discover a very real method to make some passive income, and it's really easy, and I highly recommend checking it out. So yeah, like I said, first link in the description. Also, if you guys want to see some more videos on this channel to earn some easy money, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that like button too. That would be highly appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.